guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time we haven't seen each other. Yeah, I've been quite busy with my life stuff. Me and my husband, we both had COVID, and the recovery took a longer time, and then we shifted from our old house to this new apartment, and then things were like a little messed up because we had to like settle down everything over here, our office, our like home, everything from each and every stuff. So yes, now I'm back on track and I hope I'll be consistent here. If I don't be consistent, please do follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle over here on the screen somewhere, maybe here or here. For today's video, I'm doing a mini haul from this website I came across while browsing. But yes, this video is not sponsored. This is whole and soul my reviews, my experience and my thoughts. That's it. So let's get into the video. So the brand name is Nude and Not, and I have divided this video into 2-3 parts. So the first part I would love to talk about is the website. I know you guys must be interested in the products first, but I need to appreciate the website first. So being from the design background, I can say, I always look for good designed websites, good designed products, because as it's said, the user experience is very important. So one thing I'll be very frank about, if I really love the website, if I love the packaging, if I love the logo, I would definitely order that product. I don't know, I have this thing for branding, so I think I will definitely buy from those brands. And this brand, Nude and Not, they caught me. Yes. So I was just browsing. I was looking for some good cotton fabric lounge shorts, and I came across this website. The website is very minimal, it's simple, it's clean, the images they've used are beautiful, they have like not used much makeup on the models. The website gives me more of earthy, natural feeling, looking at the images, looking at the colors, looking at the flow of the website. And this brand offers organic fabric stuff. Organic fabric, that's cotton, like organic cotton fabric. And lastly, I would say I am in love with the website and the simplicity of this brand. I loved it. I would say only because of the design, only because of the view, only because of the experience I had on their website, I ordered 2 products from their website. So I was super excited with this package arriving so early, and plus as I was convinced with their website, with the design, with the logo, so I was super excited for the packaging. Like, I wanted to see the packaging, so I opened my package on the very same day. Usually I don't open it on this very same day because of the COVID thing. First I sanitize them, then I keep it for one day, and the next day I open it. But this package, I don't know what was with this package. This was the package I received. Both the boxes were in this. You can see, I hope you can see it. And they have a small sticker over here. So what I've learned from their packaging is that they are eco-friendly, they don't use plastic, and I just love everything about this brand, everything. But I'm not talking about the products yet. I'm just talking about the packaging, the website, the feel of the website, everything. Yeah, but not the products. We are getting there. So I received both the products in these boxes. These lovely dark teal colored boxes with slight brown shades, I can say light brown shades on it, and the name of the brand, the logo, the handle, Instagram handle, the logo, everything is in peach shade. Yes. Coming to the products, I ordered 2 products from them. One was a pack of boy shorts and the other one was pack of lounge shorts. So I ordered both the products in XL size, and these items, like all the items on their website, are 95% organic and 5% organic cotton and 5% elastic. And the website products are GOTS certified, that is Global Organic Textile Standards certified fabric and dye. So they are not just saying for the sake of users thing, but they are actually selling organic fabric stuff. So talking about the 2-pack lounge shorts, this package from inside looks like this. Both the shorts were packed in this, but I've obviously taken off the other one. Yes, so I purchased these at $4.99, but the MRP is $5.99, and they have some off going on their website, so it's for $4.99. And I got these 2 shorts for $4.99. The fabric is amazing, like I loved it. If you are a cotton fabric person, then you should definitely buy this. The shorts look like this. It has a cute fringe, I don't know what you call it, lace I can say. I hope you can see it. So yes, they have this cute lace on the thigh side here, and they have nice elastic, soft elastic. The elastic is very soft, I must say. Not just in this, but the other pack also, the elastic is really good. It's soft, it doesn't hurt the skin. I have not worn it. This I have worn it. Yes, I've worn this one, the blue one. I loved it, the elastic. I'm talking about my experience, that the elastic is really soft. So these are the 2 shorts, cotton fabric, all natural cotton fabric, organic fabric I can say. I got these 2 for $4.99. I'll put the link below in the description. Talking about the second product, it's a 3-pack boy shorts. They come in assorted colors. I got this product at $5.29 and the MRP is $6.69. Just for confirmation, I'll just put the screenshot somewhere on the screen. So the boy shorts also came in the same box. This is the box, and this is the packaging which I received. And I loved it. I love how they have used the stickers, the paper stuff everywhere. They have not used plastic. So I've got these 3 colors. One is midnight blue, other is peach and grey. So looking at the design of the boy shorts, they look like this. The waistband elastic is super soft. I really love this part of the boy shorts. I have not worn it for the whole day or something, but I did try it, so I really liked it. I loved the boy shorts, the material, the elastic, how they have used very soft and thin elastic over here. And I think these might be seamless. I am not very sure because I'll have to wear something and then check, but I think these might be seamless. I'll definitely put a review about these shorts, a detailed review about these shorts and experience wearing it and everything, on my Instagram handle. This is it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Hope that will be soon. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, please take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye. Take care.